The information I learned today was very informative. It really made me open my eyes more to things I may even do, but how I do the things that I do.
Wow. I didn't realize, such a person exists. I have been to seminars before, but JHasHeart, he has heart. And I will surely recommend that he goes further. I came in here to this conference today on default because it was somebody else supposed to come. But I am so glad that I came here today. I am taking out so much, and he is such a personable person.
Excitable.
He's an excellent
Yes.
speaker.
Yes, excellent speaker.
And he
I
seems-
wasn't bored near time because it's easy to bore me, but I wasn't bored at all.
And what I love about it, that he seems very passionate about what he's doing, is the way he expresses. You can see the vibe, you get the positive vibes from him.
Some of know the things you think you already know. Because when somebody can give it to you with such passion from their heart, the way that Mr. Hart does it, it's amazing. It'll wake you up. It makes me excited to want to do every other conference that he has going on, because he accepts and he receives what you have to say in return. Excitable, very exciting.
Thank you.
Yes, very excitable indeed. I will recommend parents, if you want to see different results in relationships with your children, I definitely recommend that you come and be in this man's class. I mean, he has heart. JHasHeart. That's the perfect name for him.
Yes.